What's up, guys? Man, it feels like it's been forever since I shot a proper video. But yeah, I'm back. I'm doing a proper video right now. Trying to get out of this. I know, it's like whenever I'm in the garage, I'm facing this way. It's like the sun glare, you can't really see me. Anyways, like I was saying in my last video, sorry I haven't been posting like actual regular type of videos. I've been doing kind of more of the short style or like straight shot type of video. But now everything's back to normal and you should expect normal content on the channel. But for today, I'm doing something a little bit interesting. And actually, I had this mod. It's not really a mod, I would say, but I had this item for actually, it's almost been like 2 months now. Let me show you guys. So this is essentially just a dash cam. I originally bought this for my fiance's car. I don't know. I thought it'd be a good idea. I wanted to get a dash cam, and like she kind of wanted one, so I actually got it for her car. I didn't install it in her car, mostly because this one, it does have like a hard wiring kit that comes with it that you can buy. I didn't buy the hard wiring kit. I bought just the dash cam itself. With buying just the dash cam itself, this one comes with just like a normal like power adapter that would plug into like your cigarette lighter. And a funny thing is Jeep Compasses only have one, I guess, power outlet in them. That's so weird. I didn't know that. Yeah, and I never bought the hard wiring kit, so I was gonna hardwire it into her car, but I don't know. I think we're gonna probably look for a different type of dash cam setup for her car. But I literally had this for like a couple months, like 2 months now, and I might as well throw it inside my car because yeah, I might as well use it. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox it, show you guys. Well, I mean, I opened it up before, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it looks like. Yeah, so this is the dash cam. It's nothing special. As you can tell, I opened this up before. Actually, to tell you the truth, I took the power adapter that's in here. It's running my radar detector because my power adapter for my radar detector broke, or it just stopped working. So yeah, this is the dash cam itself. Nothing too fancy. And then just the pamphlet, and I think the power adapter was down there. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. Oh, just where's this? Some 3M tape. Yeah, some more 3M tape. Type of stuff. So this is a pretty simple plug and play kit. Yeah, let's get this in the car. Let me see what this looks like, how it's gonna set up. All right, like I said before, I actually am using the power adapter or the power cord from this dash cam for my radar detector because this one actually just kind of died. So I'm gonna just unplug this for right now. So what I have to do is kind of line it up where I kind of want it. I'm gonna try to put it behind the rear view mirror so it's kind of blocked my view, so when I'm looking you won't really see it too much. So that's what I'm planning on doing. I'm gonna see exactly where it might be the best place. But I wanted to look out. Maybe I'll put it above. Let's see. I was thinking somewhere like here, so it's kind of blocked off. I might put it up a little higher. Actually, I think this might be a good spot, honestly. Or I could even, which I don't want it to get in the way because of the vents. I was thinking I could put it down lower, so it's kind of like straight out looking at kind of. I don't know, actually. It's an interesting point. Let's see. All right, as you can hear, it's saying no SD card because I took the SD card out.
No SD card.
So pretty simple. It's powered on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna actually leave it here because
powering down.
As you can tell, my radar detector's down here, this is down here, and this will be kind of blocked off from this extra piece and my phone mount as well. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. I was gonna put it up higher, but I don't know if I want to put it there. I kind of want it to be a little bit like incognito, if that makes sense. But if you're like if you know it's there, people will see it. But I don't want it to be kind of like upwardly, like just flashy, just like way up here. I mean, I'm not that worried like someone was trying to break in for it, but I don't know. I mean, anything just to keep, I don't know, I guess if I can just try to like make it not as noticeable, that'll be great. But also it might be nice though if someone does see it, they try to mess with my car, they will kind of like be deterred. So I don't know. I think leaving it right here, I think that's a cool spot. And I like because you can kind of like swivel the actual camera on like a little pivot. So essentially this can mount up on any windshield. You just mount it up and you can swivel this so that the camera's pointing straight. Now ultimately the bad thing about this setup is that since it's not hardwired, I have to physically plug in the dash cam, and that does take up one of my ports for my my power auxiliary ports. I have two inside here. One is powering my Bluetooth monitor or my Bluetooth receiver to my radio, but that has like a dual kind of outlet, so I could plug up my Bluetooth receiver or plug in my phone or plug in something else. And then this other one I was using to plug or to power my radar detector. And this one is the one that's always on, so I would always unplug it for, you know, whenever I parked and plug it back in from a radar detector. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do is probably get one of those dual outlets that plugs into the one. I mean, I don't want to kind of crowd up just everything in here, but I think that's what I'm gonna have to do, just so I can have power to the radar, or power to the radar detector and power to my dash cam. But I am excited about having this dash cam. I'm really interested to see what type of footage I get, if I see anything. I don't know, I think just overall it's a good, you know, it's a good investment. You know, this was like, I think like 70 bucks, something like that. I know you can buy cheaper ones out there, but this one supposedly is like pretty decent. Yeah, so I know you can buy cheaper ones, more expensive ones. I actually did not buy this on Amazon, but I will leave a link in the description of, well, which I always do. I leave links in the descriptions of all the products that I have for my Jeep. But I'm gonna leave a link in the description for this one as well, if you guys are interested in looking or picking up a dash cam. So yeah, if you're interested, check it out. But yeah, though, I want to get some test footage to see exactly how well this dash cam works. But yeah, when I get all that stuff, I'm gonna report back and let you guys know what are my final thoughts. But this video, I just kind of want to install it, show you guys exactly where it was gonna be, and you know, just what was going on. But yeah, sorry this video wasn't super entertaining or super like crazy. I wasn't doing anything super, you know, intense. Just kind of a quick and easy install of a dash cam. But hopefully though, in the next couple videos, I have some cool things coming up, cool things in store. Hopefully you guys stick around and watch those videos, because I'm pretty excited about some stuff that I have planned for the channel, and just some things going forward, just long term. I have some couple different things I've planned. So hoping you guys stick around, and hoping that you guys enjoy the content. But like always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. Check out some of the other videos that I've done. I've done a ton of videos on this Jeep Wrangler, and I'm doing a whole bunch more. So if you are interested in any type of Jeep Wrangler related content, like how to do this, how to do that, just random stuff like that, check out my channel. And when you get a chance to check out my Instagram as well, same name as YouTube channel, OmegaGreed. But yeah, like always, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.